I'm Ananya, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show some dumbbell workouts which you can do at home, and you can also use a water bottle if you don't have a dumbbell. As gyms are getting closed in most of the places again due to lockdown, it is important to do home workouts and stay fit because studies show that active people are fighting COVID-19 better. You can check out my playlist of stay-at-home workouts and follow them at home. I have also shared the links in the description below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's get started.
Do 3 to 4 sets of each workout with 10 to 12 repetitions. Don't forget to breathe out when you are applying strength to move the weights, and make sure you don't swing your body while doing the curls. Do it in a controlled manner. Doing these workouts regularly will help you increase strength in your arms, shoulders and back.
hope you guys found this video helpful. Do leave your suggestions in the comments below and let me know if you want me to share any specific workouts. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell if you don't want to miss out on any of my videos. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.